Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryssa, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this plum magenta type halo eye using this product. This is the Couture Diamond Lights Finisher. I did use this product a few videos prior to this one, along with some other Couture products. I'll go ahead and link that video down below in case you were interested and wanted to check it out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to go in with this blush shade right here from the Ofra Cosmetics Pro palettes, and this is one of the blushes in the palette. And I'm just going to take some of that blush color with my MAC 217 brush, and this is going to be the transition shade. So for now, I'm just going to add the blush color into the outer and inner corner, but not connecting it, if that makes sense, in the crease. And to blend out the edges, I'm taking my Morphe M433 brush, and this has no product. Once we have that blush shade added, I don't want it too deep. It's just kind of like a transition shade. I'm going to take this Dose of Colors brush that comes in one of the palettes. Go in with this Juvias Place Nubian 2 palette. So I'm going to take this Jezebel shade right here, and it's like a plum color. And I'm just going to take that Dose of Colors brush and go into the shadow. So I'm just going to place that into the inner corner and the outer corner. And right now I'm just packing it on. And then I'll slowly start blending that into the crease. And then when it comes to the outer corner, I'm just stamping it onto the ends of the eyelid. Once we have that packed, I'm just going to slowly start blending that in. And then when I'm blending it, I'm keeping it right on the crease, not bringing it up or anything like that. So first I'm just going to try and blend the crease part, and then after I'll go back in and blend out the outer edge. I'm actually going to start doing the other eye as well right now, so that I can work on them at the same time. So I already have the transition shade set, and then going in with that plum Jezebel shade, I'm going to start packing that in to the outer and inner corner of the eye. So that's all the blending I'm going to do for now. The next thing I'm going to do is take my concealer and this Makeup Shack T58 brush. It's just a flat detailing brush, and I'm going to take some of the concealer, just a little bit. This is going to go into the center, so that empty space that we have. So once we have the concealer in the center of the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in Nebula. I did try this product out a few videos prior to this one, and it's really pretty. It's kind of like a copper shade, and it has like purple flecks in it. I'm taking that with my finger. I'm gonna swipe that onto the center. So where we just added that concealer. This shade is so pretty. So now I'm going in with the blush color and the MAC 217 brush, and I'm just gonna go in and kind of make sure everything is blended. I'm just gonna lightly go over the center. Now we have the edges all blended, so now I'm going in with the final color, and this is the color Kenya, and this is from the Juvias palette as well. And this is just like a deep brown shade. To apply that shadow, I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush, and this is just like a pencil brush, and taking that Kenya shade and taking that into the outer and inner corner, and this is just to deepen it up a little bit more. And then with that same pencil brush, I'm just gonna go in to the outer corner of the Nebula shade just to kind of blend it out. Now I'm going into the bottom lash line, and with that Dose Color brush, I'm taking the Plum shade, and we're basically just going to do the same thing that we did on the top. So adding that Jezebel shade into the inner outer of the eye. Going with that Nebula shade, add it to the center of the bottom. So now I'm just going to add eyeliner to the waterline, and then this is the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Honeydew, and adding that to the waterline. So that's all I'm doing to the eyes for now. I'm going to go in with bronzer, and this is the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to be taking that with my Equal Tools Complexion Buffer brush. I'm going to start off by adding that to the forehead. Under my lip. And then I'm going to start on bronzing my cheeks. And then now I'm taking my Luxie 239 brush and using that to bronze my nose. I am going to go in and wipe off the rest of the powders that I have. So once we have the bronzer applied, I'm going to go in with highlight next. And for highlight, I'm going in with the Ofra Cosmetics palette again, and taking the Rodeo Dry shade and this shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and mix those with my Morphe M438 brush, and I'll start applying that. And then adding that to the top of the brows, Cupid's bow. And for the nose, I do go in with a smaller detailing brush. Go into the tip. I'm going to go in with that same highlighter, make sure that we're using it, and apply that into the inner corner of the eyes. Okay, so the next thing we have is blush, and for blush I'm using the Makeup Revolution Isn't It Peachy palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this is the shade Daydream. Take that with this big fluffy brush and start applying that to the cheeks, and then the forehead. the nose. Before I forget, I'm gonna add a little bit of a deeper shade to, I guess, contour. And I'm taking the NYX palette and using the deep shade right here. And I'm going in with my nose first, and I do like to add that deeper shade on the tip to give it that lifted appearance. Taking this Morphe M453, Morphe M530 brush. I'm going with this shade right here and use that to deepen up the cheeks. And a little bit of the forehead. I think all we have to do is lashes and lips. So I'm gonna do lashes first. So I'm gonna start off by applying mascara to my top lashes. And this is the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry off before I apply falsies. So for lashes, I honestly don't even know what lashes these are, but I did end up trimming them to this size. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on to the outer corner of the eyes, and I'll be right back. So the last thing we have left is lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips using the NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Natural. So now that I have my lips lined, I'm going in with the Gerard Cosmetics Bullet Lipstick, and this is in the shade Between My Sheets. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Now I'm going in with the Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Skin, and this is my favorite lip gloss at the moment. And I'm just gonna add that to the center of the lips. I also have a discount code with Gerard Cosmetics. It's just Maryssa in all caps if you wanted to check out some of their items. But now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Matte Fix Setting Spray. That's pretty much it for the look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. I will go ahead and link all the products I used, including the face products, in the description down below in case you were interested. But I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.